Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find communities on Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to start searching for communities or channels for or on your organization or working space, you will be needing just to search for public communities or specifically public channels. And basically, a public channel will be like a grouping of many people for that will be a community. And simply to do so, you can either like go to the searching bar, and from here you can start searching for a specific name. For example, I'm just going to choose this one since I'm choosing like all. And basically here I'm just going to click on search. And basically I want for channel, then go to public, and basically it will just show me one of my channel. Otherwise, you can simply go to more, and from here you can browse all the channels that are existing in your organization or your enterprise. So simply now you will be needing just to search for the public ones. You can choose for a working space, for an organization, for example, like it can be a specific team or specific project or whatever was the grouping for this organization. And from there, you will be able to start seeing all the communities or all the channels. And basically, then you can join them if they are like public. And if they are private, you can request to join, and then you will be able to start to join in these community and start like chatting with them. So let's just open this one, and basically from here you will be able to start sending messages. You can format your messages, like send the gifs, emojis, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.